Hello there. My name is Kevin.
This is my dad. We're going to play a game called Shortcuts. It's a game designed for blind people. We're going to demonstrate how to play. Alright, I'm going to read the rules.
Okay.
These are rules that I typed. I need to make a braille copy. The introduction to the game of Shortcuts. The game of Shortcuts was made with accessibility for limited sight as a high priority. This game features different textures on the track as well as unique tactile pieces for each player. The cards are hole punched for tactile reading and covered on the back to ensure sighted players cannot cheat. By creating a game incorporated with touch, people with limited vision can play too. It's 2 to 4 players, so minimum of 2, maximum of 4. Ages 6 and up because these pieces are choking hazards, they're very tiny. How to play. Each player obtains 3 identical pieces and places them in the 3-hole starting area on their side of the board in the middle. Okay, we already have our board set up. Starting with the tallest player, each player will take turns in order around the board, drawing 1 card at a time from the center. In order to move a piece out of the 3-hole start onto the track, a player must draw a 1 or a blank. The number of holes depicted on the card, not including the card holding holes where the pegs go through, and I lost my place, is the number of spaces a piece is allowed to move. If a piece is in the space where your piece needs to land, you may not move, and your turn ends. Special cards in the game are blank, -4, and move to shortcut cards. Blank cards can be used to trade places with another player's piece or get out of start. -4 cards require your piece to move backwards 4 spaces. Shortcut cards are tactile and match the tracks on the board. The shortcut card indicates which shortcut space to move to with the hole punch. If a player lands in front of the shortcut track, they may choose to take the shortcut on their next turn. But players cannot use the shortcut unless they land in front of the shortcut track. When your piece makes its way around the board clockwise, it then moves into the 5-hole home zone to the right of the 3-hole start. When your piece enters the home zone, it cannot be interfered with by other players. However, -4 cards can remove you from the home zone. A player needs the exact number of holes to get into the 3-hole home. How to win? The first player with all 3 pieces in their 3-hole home wins. You might think this game sounds familiar. It is. Alright, I am 5'5". How tall are you?
5'6".
5'6". Okay, you go first, Dad.
Okay, this one is 3.
A 3.
Is that correct?
Looks like a 3 to me.
Alright.
So you cannot get out.
I cannot get out yet.
Oh, I got a blank card. So I get to come out.
Alright.
My pieces are little triangle pieces.
Uh-huh. Okay. Oh, 5.
Ooh, I got a shortcut card. I get to go to the sandpaper shortcut. Alright.
My turn?
Yep.
Right.
A 5.
Trying to get out.
6. Stuck.
This game is also good for deaf blind people to play.
I got another shortcut card.
Well, I think I got more. Did I get a 1? Yes, I did. Finally got a 1.
That's a 2.
Not there, 2. Hold on.
It can be a 1 if you want it to be.
Ah, I didn't feel the other part. You have to carefully feel the card. Oh, I think I found a blank. I got a blank. I'm on the first track and we're ready to roll.
Alright.
6.
6.
Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
A 2.
A 2.
Bless you.
Oh, there she is. Okay. Alright, your turn. Oh, you have to shuffle the cards.
Yep.
Very creative on this game. And it's tactile, which is very nice for people who are blind and deafblind. So remember, share with your deafblind people about this game.
Do you want to cut the deck?
Sure. With a knife? Ha! Because there are many games out there that we blind or deafblind can't play. Start, and there we go. Now I got all my men out. All my men are out.
Alright.
Okay,
Alright.
here we go. Now the race is on.
Got me ready. Yeah. I have to redo that hole.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm gonna set them somehow right there.
I don't think it's gonna fit.
I'll put it right there. Just have to redo the hole a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay, got one in here. Okay, your turn. I got this guy to go. Come on.
3. A
Okay.
2.
2. Let's see what I did over here.
But how many? I don't remember
1,
how many shortcut cards
2,
we've gone through.
3.
2.
Oh, that's right. Fudgy, baby. What you doing, girl? I'm sorry.
I think.
Alright, here we go. Oh, man! Give me a break! I got the -4.
Oh! I should have got this -4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, I need a blank. Very bad.
I'm 2 spaces behind your home.
I know. I need a blank. No, it's another -4!
Another one?
I'm going the wrong way. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Hey, you're in front of the shortcut track.
Oh, that's good, but maybe I'll get some more -4s.
You already got 2 in a row.
I know. Oh.
I got a 5.
Oh.
Wait, which means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can't move
Oh, you can't land on that spot.
because your peg is in. Do you have another chance for a blank?
Oh, another chance for a blank or a -4 maybe? No. Oh, man. Oh, I gotta move to sandpaper.
That's where you.
Over here.
No, that's where you are now,
Oh.
Dad.
Okay, sandpaper. Phooey. All right, I'm in the same spot.
What are the odds?
I know. It's so unreal. Come on. Yep, it's a 4.
Is it a minus?
No. I gotta go around. 2, 3, 4. Okay, we're moving good. We're moving.
Moving and grooving.
Corner.
Oh, you're in front of the shortcut.
Oh, I am?
You're in prime position.
Good.
Prime position for me to get a blank.
Ah,
Oh!
And what did she get?
she got a blank.
Yep.
No! Now you and I are going to trade spots.
Okay. You got over here.
Mhm.
I'll give you your man.
Okay.
You give me your man. See, when you're blind, you can just put your finger in the spot there. Maybe I get a blank. It's a blank! No, just kidding.
Oh, you got me. -4.
Another -4?
Yep.
How can that be possible? I had that.
The board wants me to be on the fence. I don't know what it is.
I need big numbers. Give me a 6 or a 5. I gotta pass this zone.
Please be a blank. Please be a blank.
No. Okay, got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh no. Oh no! Ah, you kidding me? Oh, sandpaper. Oh wait.
Oh no. Oh no, no, no.
Ah, you serious? Ah, you serious? I gotta go. Oh!
Unless you get a -4.
Ah, it'll be nice. A -4. Come on. Maybe a blank for you.
And I got... Oh, are you kidding me?
Just got
Phone.
Over here?
Yes.
Ah! Now I need a blank.
I passed my home.
This is so
We
funny.
both just got like the same results.
God, no, this is so funny. And I got a blank.
No!
I'm gonna
No!
Yeah. Okay, you're over here.
Right in front of the shortcut. I can't believe this. Who just got that card? You did?
Yep.
You got the blank?
I got the blank.
I got a 2. Great. Great!
My turn?
Yep.
Okay.
What is it? Oh no! No.
It's a 5. I think I'm in my safe zone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
no.
But I'm not.
No!
I'm in the safe zone, but I'm not safe
I
yet.
hope you get a -4.
Oh.
And I got a -4.
Oh!
Oh my gosh. You're cursed by the felt.
I know, it's this felt. Felt just selects my little triangle pieces.
Alright, this has got to be a 1. No, it's another blank. Oh, no, it is a 1. It's a 1! Yay!
You did it! We finished the game!
Yes, we did. Awesome. Yeah.
Good job, Dan.
Awesome. Awesome. We did it.
How do you feel after winning?
Good. I love to win. We blind people always want to win.
Now that you've won the game of shortcuts, what are you gonna do next?
I'm going to Disneyland. Yeah. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to thanks and right what?
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. I'm not sure if I'm saying it right.
Subscribe.
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 Subscribe. Don't forget.